Hey everyone, so we're back, and the next step that we've outlined is coming up and converting the home team names into abbreviations. So what I've done is I've created an Excel file, CVS file, that has the city from Basketball Reference, the abbreviation, and then the team name. We're actually going to go ahead and delete that because we don't need it. Hit save, close out. And so here what we're going to do is we're going to read it into our file. It's called team names.csv. What I've done here is I've changed the function to just bring that team abbreviations in, and then down here we're going to actually do the coding. So let's look at team abbreviations, team city, team abbreviation. So first thing, I don't like this, so let's say call names, team abbreviations, play team, because that's what it's called in our PVP table data frame, and then abbreviation, just to make it short. And then what I've noticed whenever we do merge is actually that the order of our original data table changes. So what we're going to do is we're going to say PBP underscore table is a cbind between, let's say row equals 1 to n row PBP underscore table, comma PBP underscore table. Nope. Let's say view PBP. Okay, so now we have this row in case anything gets out of order. And now we're going to do the thing, which is merge PB x equals PBP underscore table, y equals team, oops, not tab, team abbreviations by, we don't need by.x, by.y because they're both called the same thing. Say all.x equals true, all equals false. Name is XX. View XX. Team abbreviations. Well, that's wrong because we didn't actually run this. Now let's do it. Okay, so like I said, this is really wonky, but if we do it correctly, we have play team, which is what we had before, and then we actually have the abbreviation as we expected. Perfect. Okay. And then, oops. So we have that, and now we say we're going to do the same thing for these guys. What are they? Away team and home team. And we're going to rename this. We're going to rerun it with the actual. Away team is New Orleans, so let's say which team abbreviations $ play team is equal to, oops, apologies. as dot character, because right now it looks to be factors. Just going to rename itself, and we're going to do the same for home team. Okay, fantastic. And so now what we're going to do is we're just going to assemble the data frame and save it to the working directory. So let's go up and let's find all of the columns in our simplified game data frame. $date. This is something that these three are things that we will add at the end. Oops. Looks like we have to do a underscore. Actually, no, we're not doing any underscores here. So let's actually come up here and remove this underscore, then rerun that. Okay. So since these guys are all going to be the same, I'm going to do them last. Oops. Okay, so this is quite simply, we're just going to pretty much move everything over from PB table, but we're definitely going to run into a snag, because when I run this, simplified table is empty, and this is 559 rows. So we get this error. So what we have to do is R and say add NA rows. No, I know there's an easier way to do it. Let's say 10 NA rows. What I don't want to do is rbind 100. If we just do empty rows, maybe that'll work. Oh, good. So it looks like that did it, and now it is 5:59. and empty rows. So let's take that. Now that should work. Great.